Good morning. We're on the roof today at Chico's location in Glendale, Arizona. Going to do a unit layout, take a look at some equipment and see what's going on. Looking to possibly replace some units, so we're going to take a look at this roof. Oh boy, that restaurant work down there. We're going to check that out later on. Got some older trains right here. Looks like they've been here a while. Condenser coil's in good shape. Looks good. Ooh, well, whose is this? Nice big adapter curb. I guess hooking up the drain was just too hard. I guess that's just too hard to hook up. What do you think? Maybe it's maybe they'll see if they can make the water fall, or it's a clear tube. Don't know. Oh, a bunch of stuff over there. Typical roof life, AC, like all the grease. Oh my god, it smells so good over here. That looks a nice install. Good install. So far so good. Clean. Somebody did a good job on that guy. Let me go back here. Take a look. How's everybody's morning going? This is for you, Evelyn. No sunglasses. Enjoying the roof life. Like a, I don't know what that is. We'll check that out later. Looks like standard package units on this roof. Nothing spectacular. Just a secret drain. I like that secret drain on that package unit. With secret water. All right, everybody. Enjoy the day, and we'll check in next time.